Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Feeding canaries red pepper turn them orange. Plants know when they are being eaten. In 1667, by Frenchman Jean-Baptiste Denis, who transferred blood from a sheep to a 15-year-old boy and a woman in labor. People kill about 1,776 animals for food every second of every day. On an average, person will physically meet about 80,000 people in his lifetime. You can rewire your brain to be happy by simply recalling 3 things you are grateful for every day for 21 days. The 62 richest people in the world are now wealthier than the rest of humanity combined. The letter J was the last letter added to the English alphabet. %50 of internet users will quit waiting for a video to load after 10 seconds. Tomatoes and cucumbers are fruits. Your brain consistency remembers only 2 things about an event: the emotional peak and the end. If you don't manage to have children in your lifetime, you're entering a bloodline which lasted unbroken for 3.8 billion years. At least once a day, your immune system destroys a cell that would have become cancer if it lived. The baobab tree can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in its trunk. Donald Trump tried to sue an author for $5 billion for calling him a millionaire instead of billionaire. When you blush and your face turns red, so does the inside of your stomach. Science says that each glass of water you drink contains at least 1 molecule of water that has once passed through the digestive system of a dinosaur. After making 1.4 billion crayons, the senior crayon maker for Crayola admitted he was colorblind. In Japan, many families eat a KFC for Christmas dinner. Temple of the goddess Hathor, Egypt, 2300 years old, melted stairs. Iceland has a tradition of baking bread right in the ground. There are about as many trees in London as there are people living in New York. Coca-Cola was initially developed by pharmacists to help cure headache. During his or her lifetime, an average human will grow 590 miles of hair. After cyclone Tauktae, garbage written by sea at all Mumbai beaches by nature. Verikvikna is the deepest cave in the world. Its depth is 2,212 meters. There's a resort in Japan located on a mountain peak from where you can see a sea of clouds floating below you. The kakapo is the only flightless parrot species currently alive. Walking together is much more romantic than hugging and kissing. JCB, the Earth Movers, is named after the company tower Joseph Cyril Bamford. Our taste buds grow up with us. This car is a French Delahaye 175S Roadster introduced at the Paris Motor Show in 1949. A piece of Queen Victoria's wedding cake preserved for almost 200 years. NASA considered using motorcycles on the moon as a simple alternative to the lunar rover. Most of the insect noises you hear at night are either mating or trying to attract a mate. According to psychology, no matter how rich you get, how many dreams you fulfill, humans can never be satisfied. Someone in 2010 bought 2 pizzas with 10,000 bitcoins, which 7 years later be worth $20 million. When you remember a past event, you are remembering the last time you remembered it. If you translate Jesus from Hebrew to English, the correct translation is Joshua. Although Australia is home to the largest number of venomous snakes in the world, it averages only one fatal snake bite per year. April 18, 1930 was such a slow news that at 6:30 p.m. the BBC radios announced said there is no news. The two most effective treatments for battling depressions are exercise and spending time with pets. The Boston Marathon did not allow female runners until 1972. Forrest Fenn, an art dealer and author, hid a treasure chest in the Rocky Mountains worth over $1 million. It's still not been found. Women consider penis size the ninth important feature for a man. Kissing helps us choose who we love, and it is a big player in maintaining long-lasting love. Thanks for watching.